Oh, yay. Oh, that's Rock County. That's a big one, dude.
Wisconsin until 6:45 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located along the line extending from Milwaukee to 7 miles north of Lake Somerset, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Nice.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Janesville, Edgewood, Evansville, Broadhead, Orfordville, Brooklyn, Monticello, Albany, Footsville, Fulton, Magnolia, Hanover, Attica, Cooksville, Afton, Indianford, and Lyden. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Rock County, huh?
Warning point with a tornado warning in effect until 6:45 p.m. Tornado and quarter-size hail radar indicator. Relay to agencies on your alerting list and acknowledge when this message is complete. Rock County clear at 18:18 hours, WXL 609, KXE 800, KAR 801.
Message to